Hello, welcome back to Campus Tech. If your phone is not turning on after update of iOS 18, so here is the easy fix. Sometime when you update, it's actually shut down, even you plug the charger or you use the wireless charging and you try to turn on from the button. So it's not turning on, which means it's entering into the DFU mode, which is sometimes it's a security feature or sometimes the software glitch. And that's the problem. This problem is coming very regular after 18 update, iOS 18 update. So let's try and follow this method. Hopefully your phone will turn on. So let's say this phone is totally dead right now. Okay, so this is it has no power, nothing. So even after plugging, it's not turning on. So you need to just use the combination of the keys, so then you can easily turn on. So by simple, so you need to press volume up, volume down, and power button. Okay, so but there is a combination. First you just look at this, press volume up, then volume down, and keep press and holding power button, and then you'll see it's turning on. Look at this. So that's how it turns on. So let's see if it turns on, but after logo is went out. Let's see again. 1, 2, and 3. So volume up, volume down, and the power button. Press and hold, it says the Apple logo, and then now release it, and let's see if it turns on. So it shows the Apple logo, and it'll take some time to turn on. So follow this step, and hopefully your phone will turn on. And if you like that video, thumbs up, share with your friend, and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.